crack the spine. The book's not mine.
I step into the ring like my name was Mike Tyson, stumbling, fumbling, wrong for the splicing and Jaeger.
Plus the man Andy's on the fader, and we're breaking out the inner multiplayers like Sega or Sony.
Only keep it real musically, you jabronis. Here's a little something you can circle, but you don't be.
Slowly but surely I can feel the ever-present evanescence of the now rain down and I'm bliss.
Blasted, on the brink, past it, on a road path, giving birth to the antics of crown, y'all tripping.
Hounds bark, kittens on me out.
One cracked spine. Next one. Pour, spill, drip, spit, fling your coffee here. Ew, not that one. I don't drink coffee, so I'm going to use this organic grain beverage. Also known as barley cup.
Don't look back.
Keep the ball rolling, the moment is golden and pure love.
Show love if you're living in the now. Get up, do a damn.
Go a little fuck.
Don't look back. Keep the wheel spinning and we're living for the funk like big did.
For the mystic, leg wet, people
Get up.
to crown yard.
Sipping out of the cup. Don't look back.
Got the strike for the don't forget to smell the flowers on your path. The last to pass fades peace in a boondock. You might find it in the beats from your
You gotta
boombox.
turn it up and don't live your life in silence. The world can be full of surprises. Strive to embrace them and make it the best out of any given situation.
Well, that wrecked not one, not two, but 3 pages. Putting on the radiator to dry. Stand here, wipe your feet, jump up and down.
Jump. I shall jump.
This is getting brutal now. I never jumped on a book before. I never jumped on a book before. I never jumped on a book before. This is getting brutal now. I never jumped on a book before.